Hi everybody, I am here to try to help you get a PowerPoint that you might use in your classroom narrated for presentation to students who are at a distance. Now, it's not as easy as just saving a narrated PowerPoint and sharing the file with your students on Chromebooks, because PowerPoint is Microsoft proprietary and does not translate to Google Slides. And if you try to do so, you'll just get a bunch of gobbledygook throughout your screen. So we have to, we can still make a narrated PowerPoint, but we have to save it as a video, which I'm going to show you how to do right now. So before we worry about all that, let's just get started. So I have my PowerPoint open, and what I'm going to do is in the slideshow tab, I will click on record slideshow, and I will just keep those boxes clicked, and I will start recording. And at that point you can tell that you're recording because up here in the corner you have a counter that's moving, which is always a good sign. And so it's recording everything I say. You can also tell this by the speaker icon down in the lower right hand corner. And every time I advance the slides by hitting the right arrow button, it does so, and it keeps recording, and in fact it will keep those timings, and so when it gets to the same point in the narrated PowerPoint, it will switch the slide. The only advice I have is to stop talking before you advance the slides, because your voice will experience some drop down when you do the slide advance. So here we are on another slide, and I guess that's really all I need to take you through with this. I will spare you the evolution lesson, but at any rate, let me now show you how to get out of this and then save it in a format where you can send it to your students. I will hit escape, and that stops the process, but you can see that you still preserved it here. Here is the speaker icon and the information about what you recorded. Now, in order to save this in a format that is useful, I will go to the File drop-down, and rather than saving it as anything, I'm going to export it. And the format that I'm going to choose to export it is just to create a video. There are other ways, they're more involved, and this is the only one that really works well with narration. So I click Create a Video, and I am going to use not the highest quality, but I'm going to use internet quality because everybody's going to be watching this online. And use recorded timings and narrations, yes, definitely. And so I click Create Video, and here we go. And I will hit enter, and now this is going to take several minutes in order to render it into a video, and at that point we'll pick up again and I will show you what to do with this. Okay, well, that finally finished rendering, and now I want to make sure that it did in fact make the video, so I'm going to go to my files, and there I see in the right folder this video. And so next I am going to go to my drive, I will click on New File, File Upload. I will find that file in my files, I will click on it, and there we go, it is uploading. And once it is uploaded to Google Drive, of course I can put it into Classroom or send it out by email or anything that I want. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and I hope that it helps us keep doing that difficult job we got to get done. Good luck, folks.